So today is Thursday, June 5th, 2008. This is the Oracle Forex review. Okay, let's get into it. Let's see. I made my money prior to the London Open. And I went long on the dollar yen up in this area here. As soon as this candle here there was a trend line coming across here. This candle here broke it, so I took it long. So I made part of my money here on this trade. You see, we was already above the MACD was above the zero line to the long side. So I just waited for a new high to be broken, and it was also a pivot point. So as soon as we cracked that, I went ahead and went with the flow and made my money there. And then also on the euro yen, I was trying to stay away from the dollar pairs beside the dollar yen because they had some big moves happen during the early Asia session, and I wasn't too comfortable with how big they were. So I tried to focus somewhere else, and thankfully I had this trade here set up for me. The euro yen was already the MACD was already to the positive side of the zero line, so I was looking long. So we came down, we made a hit, had to move here, and we went ahead and cracked this area here. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong move. This is the New York session. This is the area here. We were still already to the zero side, to the long side of the zero side of the long side of the MACD. So I went ahead and looked long and got into here, and it turned out to be a really nice trade as well. So this was trade number one actually that I took, which was the euro yen here. And so I just waited for a break of the high, which was this candle here. I think my stop was only like 12 pips on this trade, and went ahead and went with it. So that was my first trade. And then you guys were just trading. You had a little breather here. You came down. We were still looking good. We made a new high. I also had a 60-minute trend line form here. As soon as this thing opened above the trend, at or above the trend line, you see this is about 100 pips right here from this trend line, and then the top of the move right now. So a second chance to make a really nice trade. So today was a pretty good day, whether you trade in the London or New York side. And then again, the dollar yen is where I made my second in the morning, which was this area here. I waited for a break of here, and this was the move. So good day for me. I went 2 for 2, and so I called it a quits pretty early, and got me a nice little night of rest. So pretty easy day. Hope you had a good day as well, and if you're still trading, be safe. Thank you. See you tomorrow.